magnificent Cape Perpetua area, you'll find a treacherous natural wonder in this rock shelf near Cook's Chasm. A massive churning hole in the basalt rock coastline known as Thor's Well. You wouldn't think much of it at low tide, just some small splashing waves and light spray. But at high tide, it turns into a dangerous, frothing monster with waves crashing in it and all around it. Low tide affords the opportunity to examine all the mussel and barnacle colonies lining the walls of the well, and also reveals colorful colonies of anemones clinging for life in the bottom of the drain pipe of the Pacific, as it's sometimes called. Legend has it that this orifice was created by the Norse god Thor by striking his hammer down into the earth. But scientists say Thor's Well got its start as a sea cave, and this entrance here is where the water comes rushing in. The relentless crashing waves wore it down over the centuries until the roof collapsed, leaving a gaping hole about 20 feet deep for tide surges to send sprays of water shooting out from the top, sometimes even over 20 feet into the air. It's very slippery here, and this tumultuous cavern can sweep away those who venture too close and turn their backs. They say it's possible to survive if you fall in, but only if you're a strong swimmer. And you can bet the sharp rocks and shellfish will definitely leave their mark as you're tossed around the well by the angry Pacific Ocean. If you arrive about an hour before high tide, you're sure to catch this amazing natural formation at its most dramatic. Just be careful if you get close and never turn your back on this marvelous, monstrous wonder of the world.